Hey everyone, this is Justin Devine with AscentPath, and today we're going to take a look at the brand new Outlook Groups app that Microsoft has just released for Office 365. This feature has been called Outlook Groups, Office 365 Groups. We've seen it called Unified Groups, but whatever you want to call it, at AscentPath, we're pretty excited about it. We think it's a great feature. We've done a couple rollouts for our clients instead of SharePoint rollouts in a couple of limited cases, and they're finding it very useful. And we think this app really adds a huge amount of value to using that feature. We're pretty excited about it. So let's dive into this app here and take a look at what's on offer. So we've created this group here for this quick demo and review called the Operations Group, and we've populated it with a few of our engineers. To take a step back here, if you go to the menu, you have a pretty simple profile. The face clicking doesn't do anything, so basically I only get sign in, sign out feature, and that's okay because Groups is controlled all on the Office 365 environment, any details. So let's dive into this Operations Group and take a look. So immediately you'll notice three things. Notifications up here in the upper right corner. And you can see that some of my teammates liked my picture of my dog, who, if you watch AscentPath videos, you're going to become very familiar with because he's our unofficial mascot. Let's go back here. These notifications are pretty good. A lot of information here. I can like anything that anyone posts. And these also show up as emails, by the way. I can reply to this post. Yep, he definitely does unboxing decks because he generally thinks that anything that comes in an Amazon box is a treat for him, even though it's not. Sometimes it is. Back to the main page here, we have two other key features, and these are really impressive. We have files, which shows all the files that we've shared with each other within this group, and that feature could be really useful, especially if you have a group per project team and you had a project-centric organization like a lot of organizations are today. You could stand up a group, everyone can get all the files from their mobile in that group and get at anything. And if I click any of these files, it goes right to the associated Microsoft app, which is awesome. So if I had that selected as always, it would go without even prompting me. But you can move right into the apps, which is great. So you can get a notification, see a file, click the button, and be on it in under 5 seconds. This is a little walkthrough we did for helping some clients with OneDrive, and it pops right up. Back at the files screen, you could see, you even get a little preview of each document, which is great. So if you need some help remembering what something is, if you don't have good file names. So let's see here. Now that we've gone into Files and Notebook, let's take a look at what looks to be the primary function here, which is this plus button. Here's our lead engineer, Kevin, telling me that this app is out yesterday, about 21 hours ago. So let's add something, though. Let's try to communicate with the team. Let's see. Hey, everyone. Doing a groups app demo and review. Looks like I can also add pictures here, so let's add a picture. I'm going to choose a picture of my dog because that's always the best option when doing a demo. There's also a picture of sushi there, which is also a good option. Let's see, so I actually think these come in as emails as well. in Outlook, and they do. And we're gonna go a little deeper here, Inception style. Let me create a new conversation and switch to my camera. So here's the email that just came in, actually. So when I sent this out to the group, it's in my app, and it came in my email, which is pretty great. I'm going to take a picture of that email, which I just did, and now we're really getting meta. It's a picture of the email in the conversation. Let's see here. We must go deeper. And then that'll show up in Outlook as well. So that's pretty much what's available in this app. You get files, notebook, notifications, and you can send out messages that turn into emails with image attachments. And that may seem like a short list, but it's a pretty powerful list if you're working in a group and just quickly trying to share information. I was curious. It doesn't look like I can add files yet. That's an interesting piece that I just kind of realized. Let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll go take one more look. So it looks like you'd still have to email a file. Let's try that. Let's go into my Outlook app. You definitely see the message here. So let's reply to this. Let's reply to this and add another image and see what happens. Photo library. Looks like I can grab files right off OneDrive if we're there. We'll use sushi this time. All right, let's send the sushi off. See what happens. Let's go back to the Groups app. Might take a second. It's a pretty big sushi picture. Yep, there it is. So if I come in here and I take a look at the post I made, you can see that there's a follow-up on it. And it tried to summarize the text, but I sent an email without any text, so it just grabbed that default sent by Outlook signature. But you can see it's right in the thread here. And all of this is also in my email on Outlook, both on my phone and on my desktop that I'm looking at right now. So that's pretty great integration as far as I'm concerned, that, you know, the two apps on your phone and the app on your desktop are all integrated, and you can get at everything from all of those locations. Definitely a great start for the Outlook Groups app, for the Groups app. Really excited to see what else might get added. We're hoping to see task lists come real soon, but we're really excited about Groups, and hopefully this video will encourage you to go download the Outlook Groups app and check it out for yourself, because we think it's pretty powerful. Once again, this is Justin Devine for AscendPath, checking out the Outlook Groups app. Thanks a lot for your time, and good luck. Go check it out for yourself and leave us any comments. Let us know what you think of the app, what it needs, what it doesn't need. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.